Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to use Snapchat Discover Feed settings. To customize your Discover Feed, what you can do is hide specific content or completely reset your feed's personalization. For that, what you'll have to do is head over to Snapchat on your device through your app drawer. Once you're inside Snapchat, what you'll have to do is head over to your Discover Feed. Once you are here, what you can do is reset your suggested content. For that, simply head over to your profile at the top left of your screen, head over to the gear icon at the top right of your screen, and then you'll have to head over to search and then type in reset, or find reset suggested content from here itself. For that, what you'll have to do is scroll down to accounts or privacy section. Then from here you'll be able to find privacy controls, clear your cache. After you clear your cache, what you can do is scroll down and then tap on reset suggested content and then tap reset again to confirm. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.